Welcome to the Unilumin all-in-one workshop. Today, we bring you the UTV SC70S commercial COB all-in-one. Applied for the retail, advanced, plug and play, cloud control, multi-screen casket. Okay, now let's explore together.
Ultra-clear COB display, up to 12,000 to 1 high contrast, 3,840 Hz refresh rate, delicate and accurate picture, outstanding for commercial display. Support seamless multi-screen cascade, hidden hinge design, up to 12 screens linked, narrow bezel between screens, one-click sync or async switch, unified control of large screen. COB enhanced protection, waterproof, dustproof, ESD safe, shockproof, surface can be wiped directly with wet wipes or alcohol, safer for daily use. Plug and play simple solution, one-click USB playback, signal loop out expansion, multiple pixel pitches 1.2, 1.5, 1.8 millimeters available, suitable for different scenarios. Widely used in chain stores, supermarkets, hotels, banks, business halls, exhibitions and other all-scenario commercial COB all-in-one.
Unilumin UTV SC70S commercial COB all-in-one, your best choice for commercial display and intelligent publishing.